What's up, guys? I hope you guys having an awesome and wonderful day. As you see, I am at Walmart with the specials. You see a lot of empty spots here. I mean, here, and some other spots here, and they're all here. Okay, they have a lot of specials, and they are here as well. So I filled up two carts. We got lucky at. Bought them all. So pay attention to your Walmart. Every Walmart is different. There's a second Walmart. The first one I got nothing, zero, but this Walmart really was good. And also look at the specials here they had. I emptied all the stuff here. Okay, they had stuff here. I emptied all the Legos. These are not very good. These, unfortunately, they're good, very good, but look at the packaging is really garbage, so I wouldn't take the risk for it. But a lot of specials. So there also here's some stuff. I finished them up. So whatever you are, just keep going. Go ahead, get your products. Go visit Walmart because now they're clearing a lot of stuff because they need a lot of shelves for swimming pools. So if you look here, all the shelves are empty because they want to do stuff for filling up the swimming pools. So that's why they want to empty stuff. They will need more shelf real estate to get that. So hey guys, I just want to give you a quick update. I know it's been a long time, but I've been hustling here and there. So I hope you guys are doing fine, and I'll catch you later. Take care.